Welcome to Notability, specifically using the scissors tool. The goals for this tutorial are: what are the capabilities of the scissors tool, selecting an image, copying an image, using the style option in scissors, and rotating and zooming. How do you use the scissors tool? So far we've mentioned the typing tool, pencil, highlighter, eraser, but let's explore this tool in more detail. I'm going to start by tapping on a pre-existing note. In this note, I would like students to draw water molecules and show hydrogen bonding. Previously, I have drawn out a water molecule and labeled slightly positive and slightly negative ends to the molecule, except I forgot one. So let's add that one in. This hydrogen should be slightly positive. I can use the scissors tool to copy this image and move it around. So let's see how that works. I'm going to tap on the scissors tool. I'm going to circle the whole molecule, including the partial positives and partial negatives. I'm going to tap on this, and I have 4 different options: style, cut, copy, and delete. So I'm going to start out by selecting copy. When I select copy, the animated dotted line goes away. I can touch another spot on my screen, select paste, and a new image of my water molecule appears. The next thing that I'm able to do is to take 2 fingers and rotate it so I can put it where I want it in order to display hydrogen bonding. So maybe I want it right here. Once I'm happy with how that looks, I can tap on the screen again and the animated dotted line goes away. Then I can add in my representation of a hydrogen bond. So I'm going to tap on the pencil, I'm going to change it to a different color, and I'm going to put in 3 green circles that represent the hydrogen bond between the hydrogen of one water molecule and the oxygen of another. But let's say I don't like the color of those 3 dots. I want to switch it up to something else. Instead of erasing them, picking a new pen color and drawing them back in, one option that I have is to select the scissors button, carefully highlight those dots, tap on the image again, and hit style. Now maybe I want those dots to be orange. So I hit the orange, my dots change to the orange color, I tap on the screen again. Let's say I want to add in another water molecule. So I'm going to tap on the scissors, select one of the water molecules to copy, circle it again, like so, tap on it, copy, and I'm going to put it over here. Hit paste, and move my water molecule where I want it to be. One thing that you might have noticed is that I can make my molecule look bigger or make my molecule look a lot smaller just by pulling my fingers out and in. But I want to arrange this water molecule maybe right here. So rotate it into place, let go. I'm happy with that. Tap on the screen, and let's move my dots over there. So instead of drawing those 3 dots, I can use the scissors, outline that, tap the image, hit copy, hit paste. So now I can move them very carefully over here. Perfect. Tap on the screen one more time, shrink it, and look, I have 3 water molecules that are oriented to show hydrogen bonding. And that is an example of how to use the scissors tool in Notability.